How are we doing, everybody? Welcome to another video. In today's video we're taking a look at this Quickie Jive M. This is in great condition, 1 to 2 years old. Tyres are in good shape. This is obviously refurbished by us. The couple of features on this model is the swing away armrest. They have lift up armrests as well. As you can see, it's fully tilted back here. If we put it back up, you can see we have the backrest recline there. And if we go forward again, you can also see the tilt mechanism working there. If any of you guys are interested in this and you think I'd like a headrest on it or anything else, let us know. We can put all these things on for you beforehand. It's not an issue. We've got front and rear lights. If needed, the backrest is detachable and fully adjustable in the height here. We have puncture-proof tyres. So those will never need replacing. The inner tubes will never need replacing. The footrest itself is also fully adjustable. Here, it also flips up, and this is adjustable so it can go all the way up, all the way down. We have another addition here, which is an inflated cushion, basically for a more, how would you say, like a real feel. You know, you don't want to be, memory foam's great, but some people need the pressure relief in certain places, and this particular one, for example, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pads down there, which are all inflated and separated. So when you sit on it, it sort of evens it out there for you. Pressure relief cushion. The front legs will go up and down in the sense of, if you're trying to go up a curb, these have a pretty decent ground clearance. These legs go up and down so that, if you want to get up a small curb, you can. Like I said already, front and rear lights. It's in very good condition. And, we've done a service on it. We've put some new batteries on it. It also comes with your 12-month warranty. Obviously check the terms and conditions on the site for all the warranty information and everything like that. But if it's something you'd be interested in, www.mobilityx.co.uk, and you can buy this on eBay or you can buy it on our website. Both methods, we will pallet delivery this to you. You will be able to receive it and drive it straight off the pallet with no issues whatsoever. And yeah, it'll come with a charger and everything you need. If you want a manual sending to you, we can send you one. Anything else you guys want, we can supply. These are great chairs. They're very reliable. This is not something that's going to break down on you at all. Yeah, an absolute great chair. Let us know in the comments or visit the link in the description or the comment section. I'll put it both there so you can see it. Check this out. It's a really, really nice tilt and recline chair.